Hi there. I know it's been a while since I have posted anything here on the channel. So I just wanted to give a quick update. Some of the stuff that has been going on has been a bit challenging in the last year. Some of it is a bit sad. My father-in-law passed away. Some of it has been exciting. My oldest son is getting ready to head off to university. And then the whole COVID thing happened, and both of my kids were at home all the time, which just really didn't make a good environment for making videos. So there you go. Yeah, with both the kids home, they're right above me when they're working on their computers. And my son has got the loudest keyboard known to man. It just, it's like, tick, 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 tick. It's gross. It drives me crazy. I have been reevaluating what I want to do with this channel. One of the things that happens when I have a live class, or I have a course, or I have a PDF, is that I ask for feedback from you. So how did you enjoy it? Was the information clear? All that sort of thing. And one of the things I ask for is there anything else that you would like to see? And recently I got a message from somebody that kind of sparked an idea. And she said, what I'd really like is to just watch videos of you working, because it would be interesting to see what a professional does and how a professional handles their workflow. And then I thought, yeah, I could do that. I could just put on a camera on myself and film myself working. But to be perfectly honest, I think that would get really boring really, really fast, because there are long stretches where I'm doing something and I'm not talking, and I don't want to talk to the camera while I'm doing that, because I find that distracting. But the idea of that appeals to me a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I am going to share my process a little bit more and take you along on me going through building a series of pieces. And it's going to start right from the beginning. So from the drawing stage to selecting the stones to, actually doing the construction, and hopefully you will find that entertaining, and we'll see how that goes. So I'm not going to stop making tutorial videos. There will still be tutorial videos. There still will be information videos. I'm just going to expand what it is that I'm doing so that I take you along on the journey a little bit more. One of the videos that I did in the last year that got the most engagement was the one where I was doing photography in the forest. So obviously you might be interested in that sort of thing. So that's what I'm thinking. So I think what I'm going to be doing is focusing more on the Tao, the actual journey. I'll be sharing my ups, my downs, my successes, my failures. I hope that what it'll do is to help you feel like you're not alone in these things. Everybody goes through it regardless of what stage they're at in their creative journey, regardless how long they've been doing their craft. I'm sure that Stella the Barbet will walk in every so often and join us. So she'll make herself known too. And as always, if you find any of the information that I am posting helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel, and I appreciate it enormously. Now, before I do any of that, the first thing that's going to happen is that I have to clean up in here. So this is what happens when you let your workspace get completely out of hand. Oh my God, I really need to clean up. Oh, gloom. But once I've got this done, I'll be able to do some really good work again. So stay tuned.